Survey sites that use fake progress bars, endless screening questions, or disqualification games waste more time than they pay for. The best survey platforms in 2026 tell you quickly whether you qualify and still give you other earning options if you don't. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 survey sites that keep unnecessary screening to a minimum and help you spend more time earning instead of answering questions that never lead anywhere. Starting with I'm Prolific. This platform is known for research studies instead of traditional marketing surveys. You complete a detailed profile once, and researchers invite participants who already match their requirements. That means you spend far less time getting screened out. New studies can disappear quickly, so enabling notifications gives you the best chance of claiming available work. Next is Cloud Research Connect ID. Like Prolific, this platform matches participants with academic and business research before you begin. Most qualification happens in your profile, instead of during every study. When a project appears on your dashboard, you're usually already a good fit. Keeping your demographic information updated improves the quality of studies you receive. Third is Pinecon Research Debate. It accepts new members only when specific demographics are needed, which reduces unnecessary screening after you're inside the platform. Most available surveys are matched to existing members rather than shown to everyone. If registration isn't open, you may need to wait until invitations become available again. The fourth option is YouGov. Surveys often focus on public opinion, brands, and current events. Your profile determines which surveys you receive, so you generally see invitations that match your background instead of answering long qualification questionnaires every time. Checking your account regularly helps because invitations have expiration dates. Finally, there's Ipsos Essay. While some qualification questions still exist, the platform usually keeps them shorter than many competitors and offers multiple earning opportunities through surveys, polls, and loyalty features. Completing your member profile fully helps the system send more relevant surveys over time. One thing to remember is that no legitimate survey site can eliminate screening completely. Research companies need specific participants, so occasional disqualifications are normal. The difference is how early that happens, and whether the platform respects your time. To sum it up, Prolific and Cloud Research Connect are excellent for pre-qualified research studies. Pinecon Research limits access to improve survey matching, and YouGov plus Ipsos Essay rely on detailed member profiles to reduce unnecessary screening. Pick one or two platforms, complete your profile honestly, turn on notifications, and focus on the invitations that already match you, instead of chasing every survey you see. If you found this breakdown helpful, like the video and subscribe for more ways to earn money online without wasting your time.